chief guest, dear audience, dear teacher, and dear guardians. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
I am Arif Rahman. My father's name is Zilur Rahman Al Mahmoud. I am a student of Fifth Department. Our madrasa's name is Tahfizul Ummah Hafizya Madrasa. Founder director of our madrasa is Al-Haj Hazrat Maulana Hafiz Mufti Muhammad Murshid Alam Siraji. There are 8 teachers in our madrasa. There are 130 students in our madrasa. This year 10 students completed Hifzul Quran in our madrasa. Our madrasa is very famous madrasa for us. Thank you very much everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.